Welcome to this Math GPT video. Today we're discussing the productivity of camera and drone PATS, or photo acquisition tasks. In particular, we will look at the main factors that affect how much area a drone can cover efficiently in a single flight. Let's dive in. First, let's list all of the factors before we examine each one in detail. Here are the 8 key factors that influence drone productivity. Let's start with factor number 1, battery life. How long the drone can stay airborne directly limits how much ground it can cover in a single mission. Factor 2 is flight speed. A faster cruise speed means you cover more area per unit time, but you must balance speed with stability and image sharpness. The third factor is camera specifications and field of view. Higher resolution sensors and a wider field of view allow you to capture larger swaths of terrain in each image. Factor 4 is image overlap requirements. To create accurate 3D models or orthomosaics, successive photos must overlap by a certain percentage, which increases flight time. Factor 5 is environmental conditions. Wind, speed, rain, lighting, temperature, and other weather variables can limit flight safety and image quality. The sixth factor is data acquisition and processing speed. The faster you can offload images and process them into maps or models, the sooner you can plan additional flights and deliver results. Seventh factor is communication and control link quality. A reliable data link ensures consistent command and control and may allow real-time transmission of imagery back to base. Understanding these 8 factors is essential for maximizing productivity and ensuring the success of your drone-based data acquisition missions. Thank you for watching.